After the recent visit of Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi to Goa, a lot of people drew references of his benefit to BJP party in Goa for the forthcoming Lok Sabha election. Let's see what the Aam Aadmi has to say in this regard.
Prudent media had outlook of many Goans. Let's see what they had to say.
जे गोंयकारांक ज्या लिडरांक इलेक्ट करपाचे आसा ते करतलेच आनी नरेंद्र मोदीच्या बद्दल वायट अशें कांयच ना. नरेंद्र मोदी एक बऱ्यापैकी प्रशासक हे ताणें सिद्ध केला. जी गुजराताची जी प्रोग्रेस ताणें करून दाखयला, इकॉनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोग्रेस इन एवरी फील्ड जो नरेंद्र मोदीन करून दाखयला, तो सगळ्या टॉप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जे भारतभरचे जे टॉप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आसा तांणी तर म्हणा की नरेंद्र मोदी एक पंतप्रधानाचे लायक असो मनीस, पंतप्रधान जावपाच्या लायकीचो मनीस, आनी ताणें गोंयांत येवन भाजपाचो प्रचार करप डेफिनेटली भाजपाक बरें पडटलें आनी ताजे बद्दल वायट अशें कांयच ना.
ताका हे फावट हाडीत जाल्यार लोक मातसो चेंज जातलो, कित्याक काँग्रेसीचेर सारके लोक बेजार आसा. आतां फाटीं आतंकवादी जाले न्हू, हमला केलो, आमकां वचून दंडाक मार बोलतात, ट्युरिस्ट सगळे हें केले, काँग्रेस एक्शनूच घेयना म्हणून ताका मोदी हाडलो. म्हणजे आतां BJP 100% चेंज जातली, म्हणजे आमकां काँग्रेस नाकाच म्हणटा सगळे.
Senior journalist Prakash Kamath also shared his views with us.
BJP हे इलेक्शना वता तेन्ना ताजे कडेन खंयचो दुसरो पक्ष नाशिल्ल्यान आयडियोलॉजिकली जेन्ना मोदी म्हणटा पळय ताजें हिंदुत्व, अग्रेसीव हिंदुत्व, हार्डकोर हिंदुत्व, ताका लागून बाबा खंयचेय आपले सहकारी पक्ष किंवा आपले सायडीन रावपी लोक भितरतले काय कितें हो प्रश्न महत्वाचो.
Our reporter in Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi was celebrated with religious fervor by Muslims throughout India. Eid-e-Milad-un-Nabi marks the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad. On the occasion of Eid, a colourful procession was held in capital city by the Muslims.
The procession commenced from Panji Masjid and went throughout the city on Tuesday evening. From small children to old people, all took part in this procession.
आमचे पैगंबर हजरत मुहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लमाचो आयज जल्मदीस जो आमी मोठ्या खुशीन मनयतात. आजच्या दिसाचो महत्व म्हणजे पैगंबराचे आगमनान संवसारात जो स्वस्थकायचो आनी उजवाडाचो जो उजवाड जो फाकलो, जिविताची वाट चलपाक जी नवी दिशा मेळ्ळी, मनशा मदीं फरक भेदभाव मानी नासतना प्रत्येकाक मानाची जीण जगपाक जी वाट मेकळी जाली ताचे दखल घेवन आमचो हो दीस सारतात.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Villagers of Velsa, Pari and Iroshi strongly resented the Village Panchayat Act of recommending to the government of Goa the church property situated at Bere Pari as the garbage dumping site. Angry residents are planning for a special Gram Sabha in order to direct the acting Sarpanch Olga D'Souza to cancel the previous resolution favouring the garbage dumping site at Bere.
The punch of this village, when the proposed land was sought to be acquired by the Panchayat, did you raise any objection?
Yes, for our meeting I have raised the objection and I have told them that since this has come in 2005 and I was Sarpanch up to 2007, I objected.
Local residents were unaware of the proposed garbage dumping site coming up in their village. Panch member of Ward number 5 of Bere Pari, Francis Ferrao, replied to the queries were not satisfying and were contradictory.
ते फादरा सांगलोले मिटिंगेक ही प्रपोजल येयल्या तेन्ना फादरा ओ तुगे वाड्यावयल्या लोकांक म्हणलो की अशी गार्बेज थिंग सायट येवपा म्हणून
थोड्यांक म्हणलो हांवें ती गार्बेज
फादरा कित्याक म्हणलो ना ती खबर आसना की ती फॅब्रिकाची ती फादरा कित्याक सांगलो
पयलीं चोवपाक गेलो हें केलें ना न्हू ती.
Versau Pari Ikorchi Panchayat Sarpanch Olga D'Souza has filed an affidavit in the Bombay High Court for identifying church property as a garbage dumping site without the prior consent of father or owner of Fabrica of Versau Church. When asked the Sarpanch for her views, she refused to comment.
Challenging us. I don't want to talk. I'm very sorry.
Our reporter from Versau, Surendra Madkaikar.
Polls are coming closer and temple and idol desecration are back in action. On Monday night, Shri Krishna Vadeshwar Shrine was desecrated at Porvorim. On Monday night, some miscreants desecrated a Shivlinga of Shri Krishna Vadeshwar Shrine in Porvorim. On Tuesday morning, this desecration came to light. Police reached the site and started investigating with the help of dog squad. North Goa SP Tony Fernandez, though visited the site, avoided commenting on the issue.
I know that is crime branch. Now it depends now whether this matter will go to the crime branch, and I am going to just surprise my superior. I have a meeting to attend. I am proceeding to find him now.
Okay.
I'll just inform you.
But the team is a development or something.
That I don't know. That you have to be in touch with the crime branch. That is a different item. Because there is a separate team for this. No? That we don't know. That I have to go and discuss now. I have to just apprise them, no? Because they are also not aware.
Okay.
Because this information came to us after 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
My PI phoned me at about 9:30 or 10 o'clock.
President of Hindu Hitarakshan Manch, Rajkumar Desai, condemned this act.
ह्या सगळ्या गजालींचो हांव निशेध करता. जे व्यक्ती हातून सामील आसा हे अशा प्रकारचें करपा खातीर ताचेर कठोर शिक्षा जावची, सोदून काडचें अशे पद्दतीचें आव्हान हांव पुलिसाक करता.
Our reporter from Porvorim, Shamsundar Farte. It's Osai time. After Carnival, state is getting ready for Shigmo. From Wednesday, Shigmo celebration will start in the capital city. The float parade, including cultural dances and other presentation, will be held on 14th in Panji. Shigmo celebrations are conducted in state from 1989. More than lakh of people come here to be part of this celebration. Our sources say that the well-known film actor Nana Patekar will be visiting the state for Shigmo. The various cultural presentations depict the rural culture and tradition of the state. The main attraction of this Shigmo is that Panji City Corporation along with Tourism Department has kept prices worth Rs 4,20,000. Till 15th of March, various programs will be held at Azad Maidan in Panji. Our reporter in Panji, Sachin Amdoskar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.